The best turntables under $500. The best turntable overall, Audio-Technica AT-LP120X USB. Why you should buy this? Simple functionality, classic looks, and USB connectivity. Who it's for? The new vinyl enthusiast who wants an affordable and great sounding turntable that will last for years. The best sounding turntable, Pro-Ject debut carbon. Why you should buy this? A carbon fiber tonarm, Audio-Technica 2M red cartridge, and hefty platter. Who it's for? The aspiring audiophile who hasn't quite landed a corner office but demands the highest quality components for the money. The best low-cost turntable, Stanton T.62 M2. Why you should buy this? Simple functionality and long-term upgrade potential. Who it's for? The new vinyl listener who wants a well-constructed table to launch into their new hobby. The best-looking turntable, U-Turn Orbit Plus. Why you should buy this? Great sound and gorgeous design in multiple bright color options. Who it's for? The style-conscious vinyl enthusiast who wants great looks as well as superb sound. The best turntable for ripping vinyl, Sony PS-HX500. Why you should buy this? An exceptional onboard analog to digital converter and USB connectivity. Who it's for? The audiophile who wants to preserve rare records at the highest quality digital resolution.